Okay, so Mr. means I have you practiced all the things so what we discussed yesterday.
Yeah.
Okay, so today what happened? Yes, on the yesterday class we have discussed these things. Okay, means product master, product dimensions, group variants, tracking dimensions, release product by variants. All the things we have discussed. Okay, I will
Mhm.
create some few products for you. So this 1, 2, 3, 4, these five parts is means this below part is dependent upon this one. Okay,
Okay.
this below part is dependent upon these things. If you know these things, then you can easily do that. The creation of bomb formula, whatever the things. Okay, so with let's get started. Okay, so yesterday what happened? We have created some items. I don't know BY. Let's see. Okay, BY1, BY2, BY3. Okay,
Yeah.
so these all three are means product master means this items has product dimension group. They have size, colors, styles, whatever it is. Okay. So today we'll give one example for the bicycle itself. Suppose we are creating bomb for bicycle. Suppose we are creating bomb for bicycle. So for first of all, which what is the sub components? This is called components. Okay, these are the calls for components of bicycle because when you assemble this item, then finished item bomb will be cycle bicycle will be created. Okay. So what is the components for this bicycle? One is seat cover. And which I will take today only means 1 hour class because my health is not good. Okay. So I just covered these things. Uh, what are the things? One is handle. Another is so why this is not moving. It's a frame, pedal. Then what else? Seat cover, handle, frame, pedal. Then wheels. Okay. These many for creating one bicycle. These many things are required. For seat cover, we required one item, one quantity, one pieces. Whatever, one pieces or each. Okay, one quantity. Handle also one. Frame also one, pedal two, and wheels two. Okay. So when you assemble these many items, we'll create one bicycle. For one bicycle, these many quantities are required. Okay. So now we are creating one bomb for this item. So before creating, we have already created these three items. This is the product having created product master. This also created product master. Handle also created, right? Let's see. Handle also created product master. Frame also created product master. Product master means nothing but these items has their own product dimension group. Means this item has their own style, size, color, configuration, whatever it is. Okay. So these two items, I just create product. I don't need
Or we
to.
can
Yeah.
we consider them from release product section also?
Yes. Release product. So these two items I'll create through release product. Okay. Release product is nothing but whether you are creating any item to product or product master, you have to release the product. So
Okay.
Microsoft, what they did, they have created one separate form for release product where you will create directly whether product or product master, whatever it is. So that's why. So these two items I have to create. So I have
Okay,
to
so anyhow it's going to released product
yes,
only.
yes. Once you release the product, then only this product will be used. So suppose you have whether you have created the product. One second. Whether you will create the product on product master, wherever it is. But the final destination point is a release product.
Okay.
Once this product or product master will be displayed in the release product, then only it will be useful for rest of the process. So what Microsoft has did, whether you will create product and release the product, come to here and see that functionality or configure something, or else here, or else directly release product. Okay. So for better for consuming the time, we are going to release product, create all the things. Okay. So I'm creating a new product. Okay, so always remember this product have two types. Product type is two. One is item and service, and this is type. This is subtype. Subtype either product or product master. Now I'm doing product. Okay, so product number I'm giving. What was that? EY004. No? And
So all the things that we don't enter when we are releasing a product or a product master, we do that in released product section.
right, exactly. We'll do that in release product section. Okay, so that's why you can see here I have given the product number BY004 and product name is suppose pedal. Okay, BY pedals. Okay, so search name also I'm giving the same, and item model group. When you create the product in product and product master, the item model group option is not there. So when you come to the release product, there only you give the item model group. Okay. So
Right.
anyhow that's why it means we are generally using the product release product because it is easy and means time consuming. So storage dimension I'm giving site and warehouse, tracking dimension, none. Okay, that's it. Click it okay. Okay. So in form level, suppose any issue is there, you can get it when you click validate. Now its item is ready. Okay. When you refresh the form, and another item came. Okay. Now come to the next product. What is that? Wheels. EY005 is name also I'm giving the same item model group. And always remember item model group and item group is the mandatory thing. Means whenever you are creating any product or any item model is mandatory things. Without item means in interview they will surely ask you what is the mandatory things when you're creating the item. So item model group and item group is mandatory things. Suppose you will not give storage dimension, it's okay. It will throw the warning, but without item model group and item group, it will not proceed.
Mm.
You can say that this four parts is mandatory. Item model group, item group, storage dimension, tracking, these four are mandatory. Okay. For normal warehouse. Suppose this item is advanced warehouse, then reservation hierarchy and unit sequence group is mandatory. Okay. And advanced warehouse means in the storage dimension is all the means storage should be active and this checkbox should be active. When you use, you can see here when I'm going to use this storage dimension as a where, then what happens? These two checkbox fields will be activated. Then
Okay.
these two should be mandatory. When you click it OK. Yeah, sorry, I have to delete again. I can't delete it. But this rejection hierarchy will be mandatory. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So 1 second. This is BY5. I can't delete. Let's see.
So from the sheet, when you said that we'll consider these three from product master and two from
Hmm.
product, so but
Hmm.
you're creating these in release product section only. So what
No,
does
no.
that mean?
No, 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 no. This actually, I'm telling you, you should check this product subtype. Okay.
Okay.
These three are product master. Product, like, listen, first, product, what is the difference between product and product master? Product and product master difference is the product dimension group.
Yeah.
Those have dimension, this is called product master. Those have variants, this is called product master. Product doesn't have any dimension group, any variants. Okay, so when you when we are creating any product or product master and release product, whether you have to select here na product subtype, whether product and product master. Got it?
Hmm.
In product subtype, whether you will create in this product level a product form, or else you will create in the release product, or you have to select this subtype as a product and product master.
Right.
Suppose I select product master, then the product dimension group should be mandatory. You can see this is mandatory.
Okay.
Suppose I select only product, then product dimension group is not required. It has been
Okay.
gone. Okay. So okay, already. If you want to change the units, then you can change here also. Okay. If you want to change the this unit, this item I am taking care by each. Suppose you want to change pieces, you can change pieces also. Inventory unit, purchase unit. This is the inventory control unit. This is the purchasing unit. This is sales unit. This is the BOM unit. Okay. So click it. Okay.
Where is the master located? Which module?
Which one? Which one?
The units, measurement units.
This is in system administration.
Okay.
Suppose. Okay, I will show you. If suppose you are not getting any proper path, then you should search here. You can get that, right?
Mhm.
But if you need the path, then go to the system administration. Sorry, organization, not system administration. Organization administration. Here unit is there. Okay, unit and unit
Oh,
conversion. Okay. So now we have created all the components, and three are product master, those have dimension, and two are only product, those don't have any dimension. Okay. Now we are going to create the main item, the finish item bicycle. Right. Suppose bicycle. I'm not giving any product number directly. Okay. That bicycle. Okay. I have to give something else. Bicycle. 10. This is my main product, main finished product. Okay. So now there are one second now. Okay, so now what happened? We have created 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have given something wrong. 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is the main item, and these are the components of this bicycle. When you assemble this item, finish item will be coming. Okay.
hmm.
So now we have to see one thing. Suppose I'm going to the finish item. So till now we have created these items. How will you define whether this is BOM item or formula item, whether this is discrete manufacturing or process manufacturing? Got it? We have not mentioned anywhere. So for that you should go you first edit this form, go to the engineer tab. Okay. When you go to the engineer tab, here you can see production type is there. whether this is BOM, whether this is formula, whether this is co-product, whether this is byproduct or none. As of now, I'm using this is BOM because bicycle is our BOM type. After that, you should go to the manage inventory and default order setting. Here you can mention that default order type should be production because we are producing these items, correct? Because this bicycle we are producing, not purchasing. Suppose you select purchase order means this item you have to purchase from somewhere. But this is a bicycle we are producing. So you have to select the production. Okay. And same, suppose I have to close this form and same the rest of the items we have to check one by one. Imagine this the main item, bicycle item, which we are producing. When you are the bicycle manufacturing company, you have to purchase these many items and assembling and producing this main item bicycle. Okay, so that means you have to purchase this item, this item, this item, this item, this item. You have to purchase this item from vendors. Once this item is coming to your company, you will assemble and producing the bicycle item. That's why I have given the default order setting as a production. Now suppose I'm going to the rest of the items.
So for bicycle specifically,
Hmm.
it is a production,
Yes,
right?
obviously, because
Yeah.
imagine suppose you are manufacturing the compute laptop, Dell laptop. So what happened? Dell laptop net you suppose you will open the Dell laptop. In the Dell laptop motherboard maybe Intel or hard disk maybe something different brand. They are purchasing the items from different vendors, and they will assemble and whole laptop they will name as Dell.
Yeah.
But generally, Dell is not means developing now. Dell is producing a motherboard also. But first of all, we have to understand why they are not producing their own items. The motherboards, the hard disk, the RAM, whatever it is, because we are getting profit when we are selling the laptops. But suppose we are, and it is required a more number of resources, more number of manpowers. At the same time, suppose you will manufacturing motherboard, will manufacturing hard disk, all the things, it will take time. It will take more resources, which will be impact our finance in our organization. So that's why they are what they are doing. They are putting some statistics that suppose we are manufacturing motherboard, we will put our resources and whole the cost would be 100 rupees. But suppose we will buy the motherboard from other vendor, it will take at least $105. But we don't have any issue because we don't waste our resources, we don't waste our time, all the things. So that's why most of the companies are procuring the rest of the means products from other companies. Okay, so that's why means I told you that we are manufacturing the bicycle. We are assembling means what? Assembling means you are producing. So you are producing the bicycle, but rest of the items you will purchase from different vendors. So
Yeah.
these items, suppose this is a first, so this is a main product. Okay. Okay, seat cover. The first item is seat cover. Suppose you come to the engineer tab. This item also showing product type is BOM. Whether you will put it BOM or is none. Because I don't need this item should be BOM item. This should be none. Normal items. Got it?
Hmm.
And default order setting should be purchase order because I am purchasing this item. You can see default is purchase order. Similarly, rest of the items we have to check. PY002. Engineer, go to the engineer tab. Whether you put bomb type is not an issue. You will not get any error. But if you want to put it now,
Yeah.
because why I'm telling you further means after some day you will manufacturing this handle in your organization. And for manufacturing handle, what is required? The raw material iron core is required. The welding machine is required. All the things are again you handle will be the BOM items. You will
Hmm.
assemble some items and create BOM item handle. That's why suppose suppose you want to put it BOM also, it's fine, not an issue. Right. So coming to the third item, default order setting. We purchase them. So every item like that only. Okay. Now what happened? Our item is ready, main item is ready, and sub components also ready. This is my production item. This main item is a production, and all of the components which I have purchased from vendors. Okay. Now what happened? How will you create the BOM item? Select the main item, select the finished good item, select the engineer tab, BOM version. Okay. Click BOM version. Click new BOM or BOM and BOM version. So you can ask me which one we have to select. We have to select BOM and BOM version. Why? Okay. So what you have to understand, what is BOM and BOM version first of all. What is BOM? What is BOM and BOM version? These two things is there. Okay. What does it mean? BOM is normal thing. BOM is what? We are assembling this item, making the finished item bicycle. This is called BOM. As per our discussion from last two sessions. Okay. What is the BOM and BOM version? Sometimes what happened, we are, listen very carefully. Sometimes what happened, we are creating the BOM, this assembling these items for site one warehouse 10. We are creating the same bicycle item for different site in warehouse. Suppose site 2, warehouse 10. That means, suppose imagine this is your, tell me some bicycle, I forgot. Okay, being human. Okay. Same bicycle will be created on Mumbai, Odisha, on Punjab. Everywhere is creating. Correct? Am I correct or not?
Mhm.
Same bicycle item will be created, will be produced, or will be assembled in Mumbai itself, Odisha itself, or Punjab itself. So is it correct that we will create BOM item for everywhere? Not required. We'll create only because we have only one organization. Being human is only one organization, but we are assembling this item in Mumbai, Odisha, and Punjab. Different versions. This is called version. Different versions.
Okay.
So that's why we are creating BOM and BOM versions. This is one example. Okay. Second example. Sometimes what happened? Okay. Okay. Sometimes what happened? We have created BOM. Imagine we have created BOM from because imagine this being human cycle will be validated from 29 of January to 29 of December or 29 of. We have created one BOM item. BOM means nothing but the assembling of these components and creating the finished good. Imagine. Okay. BOM is nothing but assembling this item and creating one finished item. So what is the BOM version means? We are creating different portions. We are creating one BOM from 29 of January to 29 of May. Some same BOM will create from 30 of May to 31st of December. Same BOM. So we are giving different versions. Same BOM, but we are using different times. Got it?
Mm.
So that's why this is called BOM versions. So when you go here, suppose I'm giving BOM bicycle. Suppose I'm giving site D4 site is there. 2. Click it OK. So that means one item you can create multiple BOM lines, multiple BOM. I will show you. Suppose imagine I'll giving the item numbers first. BY first handles. Okay. You understood what I'm trying to say here, BOM and BOM versions.
Yeah.
Or any doubt?
Yeah. just confirming it's for different sites and or warehouses, and second scenario could be for different dates or
Right.
validity.
Right. Means this is a scenario. What I am telling you, you should understand what is a bomb version. Bomb version means one item you have created multiple bombs. Means I create one bomb for this item. Okay, bicycle today. Tomorrow for same item you can create a bomb. Tomorrow what? After 2 minutes you can create a second a new bomb by giving the new name. Now I'm given bomb bicycle. Next time I give bomb bicycle 2. Next time I give bomb bicycle 3. You can create multiple bombs for one item. This is called bomb versions.
Okay.
But
But
different
you're
different
using the same lines.
yes, same line, but you should give some different things. I'm telling you. So what
Okay.
happened? Means what happened? First of all, you have to understand these things. I've created first bomb for site and warehouse this one. Okay, site 1 and warehouse 10. Same bomb I'll give site 2 and warehouse 11. Same bomb I'll give 29 to 29 May. Same bomb I'll give 30 May to 31st May, 31st December. Same bomb I'll give site 10 warehouse 11. But different scenarios. You
Yeah.
can give same also, but you should give different because already one bomb is there. Then what it will not make any sense. I will create again the same bomb. You give different versions. Versions means what? iPhone iPhone has different versions. iPhone 10, iPhone 10, 10 Pro, iPhone 10 Max, 11 Max, 11 Pro. That's type. This is a type. So
Right.
what iPhone they are doing? They have created one bomb for iPhone. They have created one bomb for iPhone. Means they have suppose you can imagine iPhone. For iPhone, what is required? Display is required. For iPhone, what is required? Motherboard is required. iPhone, what is required? Battery is required. iPhone, what is required? Keypad required. For iPhone, what is required? Cover is required.
Okay.
Okay, camera is required. Okay. So this is the bomb for iPhone. Okay. Let's imagine this is the bomb for iPhone 10. Okay. This is the iPhone for bomb, iPhone 10. Okay. So suppose they have they have created these things. Okay. Now what happened? Suppose they have created on 1st of January to suppose to sorry, suppose 31st of May. They have created. So what happened on 31st of May? They again relaunch iPhone 10 Max. Same configuration. So this is not required to again create the bomb. So what happened? They will create the same bomb, but given the date that 1st of June to 31st of December. So they can use the same bomb, but they're given a different date.
Hmm.
Got it? Huh?
Yeah.
Even suppose they have created iPhone 13 Pro. So what happened? They will use the same thing, same bomb, but they will add some new configuration, some new items. Suppose they have added battery, extra camera quality, means 30, 40, 42, some megapixel like that. So they have added this new item in this existing bomb. Because in general business point of view, what happened? One bomb lines doesn't mean that only 4 5 lines. There are 200 lines are there.
Hmm.
So it is not possible to again create multiple times bomb, not required. You
Right.
can use the same bomb for all the time by adding some new lines. So
Sure.
this is called bomb versions. This is called bomb versions. This is bomb and these are the bomb versions. Got it? So you can see now I am giving the item, suppose BY2, BY02 is the seat cover. Okay. I am giving the warehouse, suppose 24 of. Now he can ask me for one series how many covers are required. for one bicycle, I need only one quantity. That's it. Now I can use the second style. Sorry, okay, style is also. We have to give some style. Why style? Why not given the style? 1 second. One second. We're not given. Oh, we're not given the styles. Okay. This item is not configured. Okay, so oh, we're not given anything. Okay, let it be. Okay, I will tell you the next example. Let it. I just remove this one because this item is not configured properly. Let it. Next example I'll show you. So okay, that's next one is by. Suppose frame. That's the color. Suppose the first color. I'm creating the bomb for only this color. Okay. Next time you will create the bomb for next of the colors. This is called the version.
Okay.
Starting the warehouse. Or this is the what? This is the frame now. One bicycle getting only one frame. Next.
So that is per series. That's where we
Yeah.
mentioned it.
Yes. This series means for one bicycle we need how many quantities? Okay. So now pedal warehouse is 24. For one bicycle, how many pedals are required? Two pedals are required. So next is by 6. For one bicycle, how many wheels are required? Two wheels are required. Then by. Okay, this is that's it. Okay, these three items I have selected as of now. Okay, so there are so many complex things are there. I just give you the examples. What is that meaning? Okay, so suppose you can select the BOM. There is a line type always be here item, where there are few options are there. Phantom is there, pack supply, vendors is there. Phantom is nothing but one. Suppose this is the BOM component, right? This is the wheels is the BOM component, right? Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah, this wheels is the BOM component. But
Mhm.
wheels itself is a BOM item because after you can assemble wheels, fork, tire, everything, the wheels will be created. Correct or not?
Yeah.
Because wheels is itself a BOM item because when you add some items, configure some item, then only one wheel will be created.
Yeah.
So wheel itself is a BOM item. So that time when you configure complex BOM things, now you have to select these wheels and select the PEX phantom. Phantom means BOM inside another BOM. There are so many configurations there where we are using BOM inside BOM another BOM. Like that there is a configuration is there.
So we are
Okay,
creating BOM of a bicycle, but the lines that we are created, those
those has their BOMs also.
okay.
Okay, there are some complex scenarios. Ignore this one. So now
Okay.
what happened? I have created these components. Now what happened? After complete, you should clear bill of material, click approval, and okay. Then now close the form. Once it has been created, you can see the lines are came here. First, you click BOM version approval.
So the wheels and frame we will be procuring from the vendor.
Yes. And
Okay.
we are procuring all the items from vendor, but we are assembling this
Yeah.
bicycle. Okay. Now once approved this checkbox set yes, now activate it. Then this checkbox set yes. Now BOM item has been created. So, so suppose you should go to the main item, engineer tab, designer. Click BOM and designer. You can see the main item is 10, inside frame is there, inside pedal is there, inside wheels is there. Okay. So now what happened? BOM has been created. BOM has been created for bicycle. So now our work is, yesterday I told you that time what happened in the manufacturing. There is a manufacturing part. Yeah. I told you once BOM created by the basic of BOM, we will create the production order. Now what happened? BOM item created, but still now we are not producing anything. We are not producing anything. We just create as a BOM item. Now what happened? The team will send the BOM item to the production team and inform them, please produce these things. Please produce these things. So what the production team will do, they just click this item, check the BOM version. So the production team will think, okay, this is the bicycle. Okay, for bicycle, what is required? For bicycle required frame, pedal, and wheels. How many quantities required? For one series required one frame, for one series required two pedals, for one series required two wheels. So what they will do? They will collect this item from warehouse and assemble this item. This is called production. Got it?
Yeah.
Got
So
it?
one
So
series means what?
one series means for one bicycle, we
Okay.
need one frame. For
Okay.
one bicycle, we need two pedals. For one bicycle, we need two wheels.
Okay.
Got it? For one series. So now you have, you suppose imagine you are the, suppose imagine I am the team who has created a BOM item. Now I inform to you, Mr. Please produce this item. So what you will do? You got one notification mail. This is the item. Select BOM version. So when you see that, okay, this is the BOM item, this is the bicycle, okay, it's already approved without, because generally business point of view, there is a workflow is there, who that management will be approved. But in standard, we are approving. Okay. So it has been approved. Our management has been approved. Site is 2. Okay. We will collect these items, these component items from site 2. And warehouse is 24. From warehouse 24, we will collect these items. Okay, fine. So what is item required for producing one bicycle? Frame, pedal, and wheel. Okay. Now what
Are we
happened? Yeah.
are we somewhere defining how many bicycles we have to
Yes.
manufacture?
Yes. Yes. You can see that quantity is 1 here. So suppose you require 10 bicycles, but you can see the per series is there. Na? Suppose you require 10 bicycle.
Yeah.
So what you will do?
So where are we saying we
Yeah,
need 10 bicycles?
yeah, in per series you should mention 10.
Okay.
Okay, suppose I 1 second. Suppose deactivate this one. Okay. Okay, so what I will do? Remove remove the approval. Okay, now I'm going to insert the 1 second. Okay, so here I click edit, click approval, remove the approval. Okay, per series, suppose I need 2 bicycle. For 2 bicycle, how many? Okay, 1 second. I will tell you. You should keep one series only. Oh, sorry. You need to now. Okay. I am mistaken. You should approve this one. I will tell you that. I should approve this one. I should activate this one. Okay. Now BOM has been created. You are asking, suppose you will create 10 bicycles, right? So what you will do? Right.
Hmm.
So you should go to the production control. collapse all, production order, all production order. You will give there also in series also will give there, but not an issue. I'll click the new production order. Suppose item number, which production I have to create bicycle, right? BY10, right? BY10 bicycle is a BY10.
Yeah.
Okay. So now what happened? Site is 24. We have already created 24. Click 24. Once you click 24, it will ask you insert the active version of bill of material route. Click yes. Then the BOM number will automatically will come here. Okay, this is the BOM number 0175 0175.
Yeah.
Okay, so now he will ask you quantity. Here you can give 10 quantities.
Okay.
In production, I am going to produce 10 bicycles. Click 10 items, create. Let's see the setup is there or not in the standard. Okay. So this is my production order for bicycle and the status is showing now created. We haven't started anything, only created. So for creating one production order, what is required? Now bicycle, okay, I have to delete these things. Now BOM has been created for bicycle. Now for production of bicycle. For producing on bicycle, first we created the production order. Then we will estimate. Estimate means what? Before creating, we have to follow the process. We have to follow the process first. So when you do any project, your one forecasting team is there for every project. What is their job? They are just sitting one conference hall and estimate for producing one bicycle. What is the quantity required? Okay, 10 quantities for one piece, one frame, one piece, two pedals are required. How many costs are required? Okay, this many costs will be means consumed. How where we will purchase from item, from where we will pick the item. We have to estimate all the things. Okay, so first create the production, then estimate. After estimation has been done, we will release. Release means what? Okay. When estimation has been done, release means we have to take this item from your warehouse. Got it? Suppose, hello, you
Yeah.
can
Yeah.
hear me? Yeah. So what happened? Suppose you have created a production order, you have to estimate that, okay, for one bicycle, seat cover is one, handle is one, frame is one, pedal is two, wheels is two, and cost required for $10, $20, $12, $13, $14, $15, like that. Okay. After estimation, what is the next step? You have to release the warehouse, means you have to take these items from warehouse. Take this quantity of items from warehouse. This is called release. After the item has been gathered, what you will do? You will start production. Means the resources, the workers will come and assembling the items. After everything, after the production started, you have to report as finished. Report as finished means we have reported to our management that we have finished our assembling all the items. Now it is ready for use. When it is ready for use, this is end of the production. First we created the production, then our estimation team will estimate, okay, for one bicycle required one frame, one seat cover, two pedals, two wheels. What is the cost required for $10 for one frame, $20 for two pedals, like that? They will estimate. Release, once it has been estimated, they will inform to the warehouse team, please release this item from your warehouse and send to production warehouses. Because these items may be, this seat cover may be one warehouse, this handle may be one warehouse, this where may be one warehouses. They will gather, release means they will gather all the items into production warehouses. After they gathered in the production warehouse, they will start the production. They will assembling all the items. Once assembling has been done, they will inform to the production management that our assembling has been done. Now the bicycle is ready for use. Report has finished. When the production management think, yeah, the our assembling has production has been done, they click is end of the production. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Now you can see. Now we created. Now go to the production order, process and estimate. Nothing, click it estimate. Okay. Once estimated, you can see the status has been changed to estimated. Now click release. The option is very easy. Estimate, release, start, report as finished, end. You can go through one by one. First estimate, then release. Okay, click it. Okay.
We don't have to enter any values
No,
in
no, not
any of
required.
these.
Not required. There's so many things are there, but so that will take some because you have to know the advanced warehouse management, all the things.
Mm-hmm.
That is some different thing. There's so many things are there, but normal production, I'm telling you. Now the status has been changed to release. Now item gathered, you have to click start production. When you start production, go to the general tab. They will ask you one thing, automatic bomb consumption or automatic bomb consumption. What is the meaning of consumption? Consumption means when you are consuming the item. You remove the flushing principle. You just remember this one. Suppose you put it always in the start. Suppose automatic bomb consumption, put it always in the start. Then you click report as finished. That time you will put it never. Alternative. Don't put here always and there also always. Then it will not work. Suppose I put it
Mm-hmm.
always here. Means I have to consume this item at the time of production. And when you
Right.
start the production, I have to consume the item. So, okay.
What is flushing principle?
Flushing principle. Okay, I will tell you. This I will complete this one. After that, I'll tell you what is flushing principle. This is also one type of consumption. I'll tell you. Let's see. The configuration is not okay. The configuration is not there. Oh, sorry. Okay, what I did actually, I get the BOM item, and what I told you, I told you that these many items we have purchased from vendor, but we have not purchased till now.
Yeah.
Still now this item, suppose this has been purchased, then quantity in our inventory should be some items, but this item showing zero because we have not purchased. We only spoken that we have purchased. So I'm going to purchase something. Okay. So meanwhile, I am going to adjust some item. Okay. Click on hand inventory, manage inventory on inventory. Click quantity adjustment. Click new item is this one 24. Sorry, 24. 100. Click it OK. That
But
means
this will
that
automatically happen.
yeah. No. This actually I have adjusted, but when you purchase this item, this will come. Okay, style is required. Okay. This is not configured, na? Handle is not configured. When you purchase this item, second, why? Why this is showing on inventory? One second, this is the purchase order. Oh, you have not given. We have not given the item model group. That's why that's on and showing zero blank non editable. Okay, no issue. Which items we have used here? Uh, Frame, pedal, and wheels. Na, we'll use this one. Frame, pedal. Okay. Because when you purchase the item, then what happened? Your inventory will be displayed automatically. But just now we are just adjusting the item in inventory. Okay. So go here. Frame. Quantity adjustment. Okay. Now suppose color is this one. 10.5. Yeah. When you purchase some item, this item will automatically displayed in your inventory. Okay. But meanwhile, I just adjusted this item manually. So now coming to pedal, I just click on an inventory. Quantity adjustment. Right.
So when we have completed the purchase cycle, then this quantity will be up.
Automatically updated. I will show you.
Okay.
I will show you. I will show you one item. I will show you. Now suppose I am purchasing this item. Okay. So what I will do, I am going to the purchase order. Okay. I am going to the purchase order, procurement sourcing, all purchase order. Click is new. Giving any vendor. Before it is the warehouse. Okay, so item would be this one. Item would be PY006. I am purchasing. PY006. So what I am purchasing? I am purchasing 100 quantities. Save it. Purchase. Confirm the purchase order. Okay. Then go to the receipt button, create product receipt. I'm giving the product receipt number as a purchase order number. Click it OK.
Can it be a random receipt
Yeah.
number whenever we create?
Yeah. No, there is a product receipt number is there, but as of now, I'm just giving the purchase order number as a product receipt number. You can give
It's
randomly.
okay, usually because we enter it, so it can be any number.
Yeah. It can be any number. So
There's
now
no
you can
need
see.
to follow
Yeah.
like
So in business
a
point of view,
series.
no, in business point of view, the product receipt number will be generated automatically. Okay. we are conferring in the number sequence for product receipt. Where for every product receipt, there is a unique number. It will be there. Okay. So now you can see that product purchase status is received. When you go to this item, you can see now available physical available is 100. Now item has been received. Okay. So you
Yeah.
should invoice it. Invoice is nothing but we are paying to the vendor.
Hmm.
It's netting the invoice.
So here, if we want the receipt number, it should be configured in number sequence.
Yes, yes. Every some customization is there in number sequence. Everything is there means in number sequence for the this number is coming automatically. This what PO number is coming automatically. This is
Yeah.
coming from number sequence only.
Because here I was entering, so I thought that we have to enter always.
Oh, you should enter manually or else copy and paste whatever it is. For consultant point of view, don't need all the things.
Hmm.
Okay, now post the invoice. So now every item we have quantity. Okay. So we have purchased, imagine you have purchased these three items and we are now produced the bicycle. So now release, now start the production. I put it always, we have to consume this item here itself, click it OK. Now it's started. Okay, now started, suppose there is a picking list journal also created. Suppose you go to the view and pick list.
Okay.
One journal also created for this particular three items which we are consuming. These three items we have consumed from warehouse 24 and site 2. So one journal also created. Got it? Journal created nothing but we are informing to our finance team that we are consumed these items. So whenever you are closing the inventory or you're closing the financial closing, you should remember that for this production we have consumed these items. Got it?
Yeah.
So we have to because in every tool, whatever you are doing, that should be reported in one book. This is called bookkeeping.
Hmm.
Okay. Because we are doing the supply chain management work. But how the finance team will do when finance team will closing the inventory or closing the financial team year, they will think that array where this item has gone. We are not getting any issue. For that, what they are doing, they are checking the journals. Okay, for these items, actually for the production of bicycle, this item has been taken by this production team. Okay, that's it. Now production started. Once production has been started, everything completed. Now we are informing to our production team that we have completed the production. Go to the general tab. I told you, suppose there you have consumed this item means here you have to put never. It will come automatically never. Okay.
Okay.
Now click OK. Now one report has finished journal also created. Suppose you go to the view, click all. There are two journal created. One is for pick list journal and report has finished journal. That means we are informed to our production team that we have completed the production. There is one line. You can see the difference between these two journal. In pick list journal will display the three items which you have consumed. These three items which have been consumed.
Hmm.
But in a report as finished journal, we have informed to our management, to our production management that we have completed the production for BOM item bicycle. Now it is ready to take or ready to sell to the customer. Got it?
Yeah.
Now what happened? Our production has been completed. Now the production management verify all the things. Yeah, it is correct. Item also consumed correct. Report as finished also correct. Now I'm going to end this production because you can't open this production. If you open this production, we cannot sell the item to the customer. So click
Hmm.
end. Click it. Now this is ready as of now. Now this is ready. Now the production team will handed over this item, this quantity to the what? The sales team. Please sell this item. It is ready now. You can sell the item. Now the
But
work for, yeah.
it will still be in the warehouse where it was manufactured.
Okay. Okay. So what happened? Generally, in business point of view, what happened actually? This is my item. Imagine. This is my bomb. Okay. So this seat cover is there in site 1 and warehouse. Warehouse suppose 1. This handle is suppose warehouse 2. This is again warehouse 1. This is again warehouse 3. This is warehouse 4. So what does it mean that site is always same because imagine site always same because site suppose in Mumbai. So Mumbai site, these many warehouses is there, and we are procuring the item to seat cover from warehouse 1 and handle from warehouse 2, frame from warehouse 1, pedal from warehouse 3, and wheels from warehouse 4. Got it? So as of now, got it or not?
Yeah.
Yeah. So when you producing the item, what? So now what happened? Estimation created the production order. Now created the production order. Now what is estimation?
And
Eh,
production site will also be different, right?
No, production site is because different ignored because there is some other concept is there for different. So
Okay.
I will tell you later on. But for as of now, imagine we have only one site Mumbai. Mumbai have only one site, and these many warehouses are there, and these items are available for these warehouses. So we created a production estimation. What the estimation team will do, they will estimate how many quantities are required, what is the cost for the item, and where the items are available. Estimation completed. Now release. So what happened? The release team will release these items from these warehouses and put into the production warehouses. There is another warehouse called production warehouses.
Yeah, this is what I was asking. That
Yeah,
warehouse will be different than
yes,
the.
different.
Okay.
Yeah, generally production warehouse is different. They will pick this item from these warehouses and put in the production warehouses. Here production has been done. Here what happened? Start production. Once production started in the production warehouses, in the production warehouses itself, completed means report as finished RAF. Production warehouse itself completed. Once in normal things, we can send this item from production warehouse itself, or else in the big organization just like Flipkart, Myntra, Amazon. There are big warehouses are there. So what they will do, they will send this item, this final bicycle item from production warehouses to final warehouses. Okay, final warehouses. So where is the final? Okay, yeah, let me. So what the final warehouses means? This final warehouses always be nearby the station, nearby the shipment, nearby the cargoes. Got
Hmm.
it? So this is easy to transport.
Okay.
So I am telling you these warehouses may be different locations, but this production warehouses and this final warehouse may always maximum time will be the least distance. Once the production will be completed, they will send to the final warehouses. There they will do the shipment, they will do everything.
Hmm.
So this is the business point of view. They all other different warehouses are there, but normal small category business they are using only one warehouses. Okay. So this is the thing for production. Okay, you asked me that what is plastic principle. Okay, when you created the product, when you created the product, okay, come down in the engineer tab. There is an option called flushing principle. Okay.
Mhm.
A flushing principle is nothing but when you are going to consume the items. Whether you start at the at the time of production started, there you can consume, or finish at the time of report is finished, you will consume, or manual.
Okay.
Okay. Suppose you have given the flushing principle as a start. And when you start the production, you have given the flushing, you should select the flushing principle. Then nothing worry. You should click it, okay, it will work. It will automatically work. Okay. So the flushing principle is nothing but when you are consuming the item. That's it. Because
So
consumption
if
also
it's
required.
start, then
Okay.
then this is consumed, immediately, like when you
Ah,
approve this.
exactly, exactly. Suppose start means when you production start, you should consume the item.
Okay.
Because sometimes what happens, generally maximum company consume the item at the time of production started. But sometimes what happens, some companies doesn't know whether we will consume the item or not. They are waiting still the item will be manufactured, item will be assembled. Still they are confusing some items. Let it be. I am giving one simple example. Some small screws are required. Some small parts are required for creating one bicycle. So still the production team is thinking that whether these screws or these parts are required or not. So they are still waiting till the production completed. So that time they are consuming the item at the time of finish. Got it? So
Hmm.
flushing basically nothing but when you will consume the item. So this is all about the bomb cycle and how will you produce the item, all the things.
So for
So this.
BOM, I also wanted to know if you go back to BOM window.
Mm-hmm.
So here, when you're defining, series and quantity. Okay, this is 1.0. Okay, I was thinking it was 1,000. That's why I was
No, you can keep
confused.
that, not an issue. But sometimes what happened, you can keep anything. You should imagine
Okay.
because what happened. I'm telling you one thing for personal point of view. Whenever you are giving any interview now, they are always giving about written test exam. They are always doing the aptitude test or reasoning test. Why? Because they are always thinking that how the candidate is imagining,
Hmm.
what is the analytical knowledge. Imagine, suppose sometimes what happened, we have 1,000 quantities or 100 quantities where 100 quantities. Suppose imagine we are creating formula. Okay, so 1,000 gram, 1,000 gram of orange. I'm not writing 1 kilo, 1,000 gram of orange. Okay, uh, suppose imagine here you have taken orange. Here in this line you have taken orange. So you should imagine. Suppose how you write. I'm telling you. 1 second. Here you can't do that. There are some scenarios are there. You will put that. Imagine you are creating mixed fruit juice. So we have written like that. Three mixed fruit juice. Suppose 3 series or 3 liter mixed fruit juice. We can use 1,000 oranges. Okay. What happened? You can write. You can mention like that. Three. Per series is 3. Unit is liter, and quantity you should give 100 oranges. Got it?
Okay.
Got it now what I'm trying to say?
Yeah.
This is your thinking. How will you write that? You should
Hmm.
imagine. Okay, for suppose I want to make only orange juice. So 3 liter orange juice means you should mention 3 unit is liter.
Hmm.
3 liter orange juice. How many oranges are required? Suppose 500 oranges are required. You put 500. Suppose for creating orange juice we need sugar. For suppose 1 kilo of sugar, 1 kilo of sugar, one here unit is kilo. How many? Here also 1 kilo, 1 kilo of sugar, 1 kilo only. So that's the way you are mentioning. Per series means nothing but how many items means here what happened for one bicycle or series between one bicycle, how many frames are required? For one bicycle, how many pedals are required? In this way you mentioned. So I'm telling you should do one thing. Okay, here is nothing. I've created a BOM of bicycle. You will do. I'm giving one example to you to do for BOM of suppose what is that? What is that? Okay.
Laptop.
Now laptop is the confusion different. You mentioned BOM of specs. For BOM of specs, what is required? One is frame, classes. Okay, and another is frame classes. What is required for
Screws.
screws? Yeah. Get one BOM of specs. Okay, these things. After that, do the production and formula. Get mixed fruit juice. These things you take the snapshot and create these things and do the production. Imagine, I remember for BOM you should use production order, formula you should use batch order. You should create these things and you are using this environment, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, you should create these things today and wherever required you should text me. I will just log in and will see where you are doing some mistake. I don't think so you will do any mistake. You should go see the video first. What you will do now,
Yeah.
whenever you are do practicing, whether check my video or YouTube also. First, blindly, you should see the video and do simultaneously. Same example you do simultaneously. Once done, you should sit quiet and think why this is happening. After that, in the third time, you will do alone without take any help. Okay, you will easily get it, know all the things.
So
Okay,
batch order is also the same process. I mean,
same,
same
same,
steps.
same, same, all same. Everything is same. Only in the release product, you production type you should mention instead of BOM, you should mention formula.
Hmm.
Okay.
Yeah, this for this one, I'm just asking you one thing. So for bicycle, we mentioned it as BOM, but
Uh-huh.
for the other components like the frame and all, we mentioned something else over here, right?
You should mention whether you should mention none or you should BOM. Doesn't matter.
BOM. Okay.
This, but the main item should be BOM or formula. The main
Not
finish item.
formula.
Here is BOM, but for a formula item, you should mention formula. Suppose you are creating any formula items and you can mention formula.
Like for juice, if you said, then it will
Uh,
be a formula.
right. Okay.
And if it, okay, so this was a wheels, no? This
Uh,
this was wheels. So again, I say BOM only here.
whether you should, because this is the component now, whether you put BOM or not, doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. But when you create BOM of wheels, then it should be mentioned BOM.
Okay.
Now what happened? I have created a BOM, main BOM finish item is cycle.
Hmm.
So these are the components. Suppose
Yeah.
I will create a BOM of wheels. Then in the
Yeah.
wheels, inside the wheels, you put production type should be BOM.
Okay.
Got it? Now just
So this
yeah.
wheels can also have different components
Yes. Yes.
within the
Yes.
BOM.
Yes. There are different components. As the forks are required, the screws are required, tires are required, tubes are required.
So until
So
we complete BOM for wheels, we cannot complete the BOM for bicycle, right? This will be the
that
flow.
yeah. Suppose you will go in the complex one, then it's correct. Suppose you will go with the complex scenarios where bomb inside a bomb inside another bomb inside another bomb. Then suppose this is the main bomb. Bicycle is the main bomb. Inside another bomb is wheels. Okay. Yeah, for wheels, what is required? Tire is required. Then spokes are required. Then tube is required. Okay. For inside the wheels bomb, suppose spokes also suppose you can use as a bomb. So what happened? For spokes required some rod is required like that. So this is a complex one. Ignore this thing. This is a very complex one. Means bomb inside another bomb, inside another bomb, inside another bomb like that.
Hmm.
Okay. So ignore this
Is
one. You
it,
should.
does it
Yeah.
happen usually?
Yeah. It's happening now. General business point, we are using these things only.
Okay.
This actual bomb is not that much of simple. The bomb is very complex. Bomb, bomb, inside production. Sometimes there is another fundamental is there for pack supply. Means pack supply means what happened? There is another option is there in the bomb. You can see here. You can see at it. Suppose here item is the line type is item is there. Okay. Suppose there is a pack supply. Pack supply means sometimes what happened? This is okay. Okay. Sometimes what happened? This is a complex one. Okay. What happened? You are purchasing all the items. You are purchasing all the items, but only the spokes you do the production. In your company, only spokes is production. Producing only spokes item means that rod. Then no need to purchase na. This is called pack supply.
Yeah.
Inside bomb, another bomb. There is small item you are producing. Then this is called pack supply. You should mark the item as a pack supply. So ignore these things. This is you will be confusing. Ignore.
And phantom was what?
Phantom is this is called phantom wheels. Bomb inside another bomb inside another
Okay.
bomb. So we'll mention the phantom. So
So
first you yeah.
if I do bomb within a bomb, then I have to select phantom over there.
Yes. In bomb, you should mention the phantom, so
Okay.
that we will know that this is a bomb inside bomb.
Okay.
Because suppose you have in the first one, this is a bomb of bicycle. So bomb of bicycle, you have used these items, frame, pedal,
Yeah.
and wheels. But wheels also have one bomb. Then you
Hmm.
should mark in the main bomb is a phantom. So
Okay.
that we will think it we will get to know that yeah, this is the item. This has its own bomb.
Hmm.
Okay. So there will pointing out. So
Okay. I can
generally,
try this also, right?
yeah, no, you don't try this. This is very
Okay.
complex. There is so many configuration is there. So
Okay.
you should create only simple. First, you should complete these two things. Okay.
Okay.
Then we'll see. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. 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 Mr. Thank you.
Okay. Thank
Yeah.
you. So
Thank you. Yeah.
next class, then we'll cover.
Yeah. Next class, I
Yeah.
will cover maximum things. We'll complete the charge codes, method of payment. These things has been completed, but I'll cover some things. Sales quotation, charge code, and then we'll go to the inventory, the item group, item model group,
Yeah.
journal, something. It's a simple one, very simple one.
Then
Okay.
purchase agreement also we'll
Yeah,
do.
per second. I'll cover all the things in the next class. Not an issue.
Okay.
Okay.
And if I have any question for trade agreement, which I think I will. So
You have some